Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Douglas coming to you again with some more science activities. I am the only one here in my classroom, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off during my lab demonstration, but I definitely will be wearing again my safety glasses. So today we have some blue food coloring, some yellow food coloring. I have my graduated cylinder. Remember, it has the graduation or level marks on there to get accurate readings. I have 3 cups and I have some water. Let's go ahead and get started. I need 100 milliliters of water in each of these 2 empty cups here. So let me pour that. And I am getting at eye level with the beaker, so I am getting a very accurate measurement.
And I should have said eye level with the graduated cylinder.
Now I need 100 milliliters in the other one. Love that sound. All right. For the next step, I'm going to put a drop of, well, maybe more, we'll see. 1, let's go 2. 2 drops of yellow food coloring. And over here, I'm going to put 2 drops of blue food coloring. So as you watch, you should be able to see that I have created 2 mixtures here. We have a mixture of water and yellow food coloring, and over here, a mixture of water and blue food coloring. Now I can let it sit for a while. Remember, water is a liquid. Liquid does have energy. The particles are moving slowly, kind of in clumps or groups, kind of clusters. So eventually the blue would dissolve completely in there. What could I do to speed up this, to make it stir more evenly together? I could swirl it around, or I could stir it with a wooden craft stick. I think I don't want to spill anything, so I'm going to get a craft stick. I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this. So that is one of the processes that we can do to combine these substances
or ingredients
more rapidly, is to stir the mixture. We could also have used hot water. If I had added the food coloring drops to hot water has more energy, the molecules are moving faster, and it would have kind of stirred itself more. The yellow seems to have dispersed or dissolved much more rapidly. I'll give that a stir too. So before we make our mixture, let's talk about the similarities of our ingredients. They are both what state of matter? Liquid, you're right. They are both translucent. I wouldn't say quite transparent. Transparent's like a clear glass that all light can pass through. So I would call these translucent. A little bit of the light is still passing through. And if you remember in your science reading the other day, we came across the word opaque. Opaque means no light can pass through it. So I would say these are probably translucent. We have the same volume, same amount of water in the cup. We call that the volume. Who remembers how much we added? 100 milliliters of water in each cup. That's another similarity. And the biggest difference that I see, that you see, that we all see, is the color. The color is different. Our next process is to combine the 2 ingredients together into this 3rd cup. So I'd like you to keep an eye on the cup. I'll try to get my arm out of the background. And we'll see what the 2 ingredients combine to look like. Are you able to see that color clearly? So let me give you a moment to think about, are the ingredients still in there? What changed about the ingredients? What stayed the same about the ingredients? So think about that for a moment and we'll be back to discuss. So what are your thoughts? I know Miss Silanoff would probably love this experiment. So there's a little bit of water left in each of these cups after I poured them. Remember, we had blue over here and yellow over here. So is the blue water and the yellow water still in there? Do they still exist? Perhaps we need to take a closer look at the mixture. And remember, this is a special mixture called a solution, because I can no longer see the blue water in there. I can no longer see the yellow water. Is it a mixture? Yes, because we mix them together. But it is a special mixture called a solution, because we can no longer tell the ingredients apart. So let's take a closer look and we can see what's going on in there.